What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Big job broke out today. We're fitting some composite French doors, which are like a new invention. So we're going to show you how they're done, and there they are in the van. Hope you enjoy, hope you learn something. It's been cracking the flags all week, which means it's been really sunny, 25 degrees every day. And the day we start today on this big job, it's raining. First job is to take all the glass out, get the frame out. We've got Barry helping us today as well, in case he's on the job. The governor. Get him pointing already. Comes good. So that's everything out right now, and that was a bugger to get out because, again, down the side of the door, it had these clips on and they were hidden behind the plaster line. So we had to cut them off with a grinder. Simply lovely. See? So we're just cleaning up now, get everything tidied up, get the sill in. If you're wondering why we're taking all that tiling off at the bottom of the grout, we have to because, again, we're making a ramp and it's a disabled thresher, so we need a flat surface as low as we can to the floor because of wheelchair access. So that's why we're doing all this work. And it's still bogging down now, it's getting worse. That's why I've got my hat on. Just marking this line here because we have to cut the plaster line back to get our frame there, because the old frame wasn't, it's not enough there, is it? Look at it. It was overhanging. See what I mean about these clips? They're very sneaky. They're actually in behind the plaster. And I've had to cut through that there because you can see. So be mindful when you're on your jobs. Obviously that's more. That 775. Right, what Casey's doing there is just sawing off the front sill now. Now we've got the side returning because, like I said before, we want to get as low as possible to the existing, which is there. So there's no sill, it's just going to be like, just so that we can get wheelchair access, so yeah. Right, it's time to get these bad boys out of the van. Let's get them fired in.
drove by the river, there's a willow tree where we used to meet up, my baby and me. It's such a long time ago that I kissed you on that swing. Now I don't know about you, but I remember everything. Oh, I'm walking on air whenever you are here with me.
But then, absolute dog.
Golden hair across your face and the way that you smell. Call it serendipity, providence, or fate. Sometimes good things come to those who wait. Oh, I'm walking on there whenever you are here with me. Oh, I'm walking on there. Been a long time coming, but finally.
It's a bit tricky prepping all the sill for this door, really is, so, but it's got to be bang on level, so we can work off that. There's no room for error really, because we've got such a narrow thresher, which is just the bottom of the doors.
I'm walking on air whenever you are here with me.
It smells brilliant!
Oh, I'm walking on air.
Trying the doors in round 2.
Time coming, but finally. Said I'm walking on air. Oh, whenever you're near. Oh, it's been a long time coming, but finally,
Right, now the only reason we've put a small frame above the doors is because the doors had to be low enough to open inside and go underneath this, which I'll show you. The above of the old door, you see, so we had to make them short enough so they go underneath, you see. Didn't want them catching.
Yeah.
Otherwise we could have got away with taking them really to the top.
For the ocean, I will be long gone by now.
You can see now when we build our ramp up here, we'll just be able to get his wheelchair right over there, and there's going to go flooring inside here. There's hardly anything. And we've got privacy glass here, which is satin glass. Nice letterbox.
For the ocean, I will be no one. No you're holding my mind in a tight grip. When I walk all over you,
Well, there you have it, guys. That's how you fit some composite French doors. New to the channel, the new invention, and they're very tricky to fit. Very tricky to fit, but they've gone in really nicely, and it's took 3 of us, as you've seen as well. So thanks to Barry for giving us a lift. We couldn't have done it without him. The doors are really heavy, and me and Casey couldn't have managed on our own. We've still got bits to do. We've just got to come back Tuesday and seal up and do that ramp. So I'll leave that for another video. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like rating. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.